Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to my dear students of KMC Manipal, whichever time zone you are. Once the lockdown commenced from March 22nd, Kasturba Medical College Manipal and Kasturba Hospital geared up for the fight against COVID. With the collaboration of district administration, Dr. TMA Pai Hospital Udupi was converted into COVID hospital. More than 1,500 COVID patients have been treated by KMC Manipal since the pandemic. Our healthcare workers are actively involved in testing, quarantine facilitating, contact tracing, and creating awareness among the public apart from managing patients. Our first priority was to take care of our healthcare workers and students who are stranded in Manipal. We had the moral obligation towards the society in Udupi district to protect them from pandemic because we being the premier healthcare provider of the district. We also had social obligation towards the patients visiting us not only from various districts of Karnataka but also neighboring states. It was a huge task, nonetheless very well coordinated and accomplished. In the bargain, we also had a few of our faculty members, PGs, interns and other healthcare workers getting infected. The dedication and commitment of our faculty, students and healthcare workers enabled to surpass these hurdles. We still continue our fight with COVID with the same enthusiasm and zeal. Coming to academics, students and parents need to remember that our regulator body is Medical Council of India, superseded by the Board of Governors, which is directly under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. They are the decision-making bodies. We have successfully conducted theory and practicals for PG broad specialty examination for 130 PG students and 20 super specialty registrars. We had admissions for 180 postgraduate for broad specialties for the year 2021, who have undergone quarantine as prescribed by the government authorities depending upon their place of arrival and have started their work in the department chosen. Our new Vice Chancellor, Lieutenant General Dr. M.D. Venkatesh and myself as a member of MCI MSR committee had few rounds of discussions with the MCI. Our main aim is to see to it that every batch finishes the course at the prescribed time, which was already prescribed and notified, and each medical student graduates accordingly, so that your internship completion and PG entrance do not get affected because of delay of almost 6 months due to COVID pandemic. This 6 months delay should not adversely affect your career. At the same time, leaving a portion of subject is of serious concern since this reflects poorly on the medical knowledge of the student, and further this lack of knowledge in some areas is going to replicate poorly in patients' morbidity and mortality. We, the students and the faculty, have to work harder towards this goal of completing the academic portions. Once you come back, you might have to go to clinics both in the morning and in the afternoon, attend classes and do the practicals beyond the regular hours. You might have to attend theory, clinics and practicals during Sundays and on other holidays too. Our dedicated faculty are already charting out the academic program for this purpose. Extra hours of work is also needed from each and every faculty of ours. The motto is to see that you graduate at the prescribed time and also do not miss any portion of teaching. In short, you do not lose academic time and academic content. We are here to help to prepare you to excel in the medical field. Thank you very much. Take care and be safe.